everyone, I'm Mahima Bantia and I'm here to discuss with you about the CUET exam. Now the CUET exam, as most of you would be knowing, is conducted by the NTA, and through this exam you can gain admission into DSC, JNU, IGIDR, Hyderabad University and many other universities. There are many videos that we have done on the colleges that accept the CUET scores. Now everyone, to succeed in CUET, I want to straight dive into what does it take to do that. So let's start with the cutoffs. Now the CUET exam has a maximum marks of 300. Okay, there are 75 questions and the maximum that you can score is 300, which basically means each question is 4 marks. Okay, first list of DSE that has come out with the cutoffs. The cutoff is 244. Now what is the percentage of success? So 240 out of 300 is 80%. That means you need to score 80%. So how does someone score 80%? To score 80%, that means you need to get all your micro right, all your macro right, all your maths right, all your stats right. And you also need to know, you need to get some Indian economy and some of the GK questions also right. And that is just to make the cutoff. Okay, so CUET, everyone, requires a strategy of its own. CUET requires commitment of its own to do the exam, to do the papers, to do all the GK, the Indian economy, maths, stat, micro, macro, according to the CUET syllabus, according to how the CUET likes it. So in the CUET exam, if you see, there is not a lot of depth to some of the questions. So it is not very hard in mathematics, but there's a lot of breadth. So they can ask questions from all over. So our challenge is to make sure that we are well prepared. Now we have to curate our materials, especially to CUET. We have to curate how much to do of what according to only CUET. And that is the focus of our CUET special program, where we are looking only at CUET, how to ace only CUET, what to do if you want to score only in CUET. Now EduSure has had a long history of success with IGIDR, DSE, JNU. We've had rank 1s for DSE 1 to 3. We've got successive ranks 1s for JNU over quite a number of years. We've got successful rank 1s for IGIDR over, I think, 3 years on the trot or something. So we know what it takes to ace these exams. And I am inviting you to try EduSure on the 1st of July with our new launch of the CUET special program. Now the CUET special program is available to you at a very, very reasonable price. And it is available to you in the live and the recorded version. So you can come to us and attend live classes if you like so, or if you only want the recorded version, you can do so too. I would invite you to join a live experience with us on the 1st of July for the CUET special program. So don't wait, come to EduSure, give EduSure a try, and I'm sure it will be one of the best teaching experiences that you have had till today. So see you everyone soon in an EduSure class.